It's bedtime. You should be asleep right now. Let's take a moment to relax and unwind together. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with a soothing, calming air. Now, exhale slowly. Feel the soft support of your bed beneath you, cradling you in comfort. Let every muscle relax. As your body relaxes, notice how your mind begins to quiet. Let go of any lingering thoughts or worries. There's nothing more you need to do right now. This is your time to rest. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into your bed, wrapped in warmth and peace. Allow yourself to drift off, knowing you are safe and that a restful night's sleep is waiting for you. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let sleep take over. It's bedtime.